great vibes. Whole community's here, having a great time.
Smiles.
Yeah, smiles and laughter all over. You can hear it now.
And no one's arguing or fighting. They're all just getting along.
We're here to unify as one.
Students are just having the best time, and they're all together.
The music is really good over there.
And they got better bounce houses.
They got a lot of stations, and it's just a fun environment to be here.
Like, there's just a lot more diversity here, and people just seem to be more happy, so people are more friendly.
This is really a time when we all come together, we welcome each other, we affirm one another, and we just have a good time celebrating one another.
We care about what they're interested in. And Unity Fest is a culmination of the whole year of learning about different cultures, learning about each other's stories, and celebrating what we all bring to the table. We have a huge stage with lots of acts, a lot of student performers. We like to showcase all of their talents. We have our Vibrant Strings, who's a trio of siblings that come out and play contemporary music on their violins.
You see a lot of students and families get together. They may not be able to get together in school, but here at this great event, everybody can come together and have a great time.
We also have a bunch of food trucks here for people to try food from different cultures, and they're also local business owners, so we're supporting them. And we have a free cultural food sample tent.
It's all different food from all different nations. It's a good way to get families to come out. It's a good way for us to meet other people in the community and celebrate everybody's differences. That's why we do what we do, right?
One of the most important pieces of Unity Fest is our kindness rally. And that is the big celebration where all of our students across all 8 schools write little strips of paper, kindness acts that they performed or acts of kindness that they saw. They start in September, they go all the way through mid-May, and then they link all of these strips of paper together, and we call them kindness chains.
It's not just a chain, but it's a chain that represents a deeper meaning of kindness, of seeing in your brother or sister's heart what you want to see in your heart.
Representatives from all schools link their chains together, and we do a big parade around the soccer field and just celebrate thousands and thousands and thousands of acts of kindness.
I think we're just trying to introduce them to a different sport.
The kindergarten football. We started that just on a whim, hoping that kindergartners would sign up, and every year it gets bigger and bigger.
He's autistic, and I wanted to socialize him. It's great. I mean, they look like they're doing really well with him, and looks like he's understanding and he's having fun.
I think the variety and the inclusiveness is nice, yeah.
I love your feather. It's amazing.
It's beautiful. You like rain?
I love all of them.
You like the front?
I love the rainbow.
These are our love hands that we use as part of symbol of our district.
Like a lot of these kids, the people that come through are past students with their families. See, so they're coming back. This is much larger than it was last year.
People singing and stuff, expressing themselves, and then there's dance of people interest, and then people enjoying it.
Yeah.
And they coming around in a big community. I thought it was just so nice.
Yeah, mostly just the representation, and the word is getting around about how much fun it is.
Yeah, it definitely seems like there's more people every year. From other schools too.
Today is one of those days where I'm just so proud to be the superintendent of schools here, right? To just have the opportunity to see our entire community coming together and celebrating each other, it really makes me happy.